Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode. This week, we are inside Accra, Ghana, and we are about to tour this amazing property. My name is Joshua Kaku. Make sure to stay with me to the end of this video as I take you on tour of this luxurious home and the pool area. Like this video and hit the subscribe button for me. This home features 4 bedrooms, all en suite, living area, dining area, kitchen, storage room, balcony, powder room, spacious parking space, swimming pool, and playing ground. Welcome to this spacious area. This is the living area, open kitchen and dining area. Beneath the staircase is a mini space which can serve as storage, aquarium or wine cellar or anything of your choice. You can see this home is made up of good and quality materials. You have nice ceiling designs and porcelain tiles. Make sure to stay with me to the end of this video. I love everything about this property, especially the master bedroom. Stay with me to the end. This space is kitchen storage. You can keep all kitchen utensils here. Have your laundry tool here. This door right here leads outside. This is the emergency exit. This is the powder room or the guest restroom. A restroom designed for all your guests to use. From the guest restroom, we head straight to our first bedroom. This bedroom is en suite, spacious bedroom where you can fit your bed and your wardrobe and other stuff. Let's take a quick tour of the bedroom and the washroom. Now, let's take a quick tour of the downstairs and head straight to upstairs. Upon getting upstairs, we are welcomed with this mini upstairs lobby, which can serve as lounge. We will be touring the bedroom starting from the primary bedroom and balcony. Let's take a quick tour of the bedrooms. Welcome to the master bedroom, as the name suggests. This is the master of all bedrooms, very spacious and has this luxurious bathhouse. Let's take a quick tour of the master bedroom. This home is up for sale for $450,000 US. Let me know your honest opinion in the comment section, and if you want to contact me for viewing or any other details, check the description field for my contact details.